3 years ago, I discovered a secret about getting ahead. The key isn't extreme routines like waking at 4 a.m. or taking daily ice baths to shock your senses. It's about forming micro habits you follow consistently. Tiny habits compound over time. They impact your finances and your physical, mental, and emotional health. In this video, I share 17 micro habits that transformed my life. I'll also share tips for applying them to your life. Number 1. Create more than you consume. The wealthiest people create more than they consume. Research shows 67% of wealthy people watch 1 hour of TV or less daily. Instead of being glued to the box, think how you can create. Start small, maybe 15 minutes a day, creating something you enjoy. That could be starting that YouTube channel, writing short stories, or learning basic coding. Audit your creation time versus consumption time regularly. Number 2, create distance from the wrong people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If people around you complain or put others down, create distance. Find people whose problems are about building wealth and solving challenges. If you can't access that circle yet, tap into books, podcasts, and YouTube. Number 3, create an I can do this file. Record achievements, milestones, fears, and how you overcame them. Revisit that file on low days to remind yourself what you're capable of. Number 4, show gratitude. I used to think gratitude journaling was cheesy until I read Dr. Sfia Godkin's work. I started keeping a gratitude journal every evening at 8 p.m. I use the Day One app to jot one highlight and a photo from the day. Your mind attracts what you focus on, so notice the little things that went right. Set a 5-minute evening reminder and jot down one thing you're grateful for. Number 5, automate these 2 things.